Hello! In front of you I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10. In this video I'll show you how to turn on and off Assistive ball. Firstly, let's go to Settings. Then scroll down and open Accessibility and Interaction and Dexterity. This button allows you to turn off or on Assistive ball. Now let's turn it off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.